How to release a game on Steam. You want to go to Google and then type in Steamworks Partner Program. Click on this right here. You want to register as a developer. You're going to have to pay a £100 fee per game that you want to upload. You're going to have to complete a digital tax form, and you're going to have to verify your identity. All the information in more detail is down below. Then you're going to have to build the store page. You're going to have to upload your game builds and then configure your store page, like the trailers, screenshots, and descriptions. After you read what to expect, information you should have handy, the rules and guidelines, and the accepted types of content, you want to click on sign in to sign in with your Steam account, and then you want to sign up for Steam Direct. After you set up the store page and the build, Valve are going to review your store page and a playable build of your game. It will take about 2 to 5 days. Once approved, your game must be live as coming soon, for at least 2 weeks before you can hit the release button. So now you want to sign into your account and then join Steamworks. After you do that, you want to follow through all the steps that will come up, and you can then release a game on Steam.